In this video, I will show you the exact steps to download the Rave app on your iPhone so you can start watching movies and listening to music with your friends in perfect sync. Getting started is incredibly simple and only takes a minute of your time. First, grab your iPhone and unlock it to access your home screen. From there, find and tap on the App Store icon, which looks like a blue letter A. Once the store opens, tap on the search button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type the word Rave and hit the search key on your keyboard. You should see the Rave Watch Party app appearing at the top of the results with its distinct, colorful logo. Tap the Get button next to the app icon. Depending on your security settings, you might need to confirm the download using your Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your Apple ID password manually. Wait for the circular progress bar to finish filling up as the app installs on your device. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to say Open. Tap that button to launch the app for the first time. When the app opens, it will ask for a few permissions like access to your Bluetooth and notifications. Go ahead and allow these so the app functions correctly. Now you can sign in and start hosting your own virtual watch parties. It really is that easy to bring people together through the power of media.